having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 and I would love to have you join my corner of the internet. And if you don't know much about me, I film a lot of Lush content, a few vlogs here and there, hauls, Doc Martin videos and all the stuff in between. So if you want to stick around, I would very much appreciate it and love to have you. But in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for April. I am so beyond excited. I feel like it's going to be very spring vibes, and I have seen no spoilers as of yet, so I'm so excited to unbox this and share with you guys what's inside. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So opening up the box, we have this beautiful postcard which has some Sakura flowers on, and it says celebrating Sakura spring. Sakura, in brackets cherry blossoms, are the symbolic flowers of spring in Japan. This April box features the nostalgic scenery of spring in Japan, where many ingredients used in the products can be harvested from the, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Satoyama landscape. Flower sprouts from the ground, grey-faced buzzards come back from their wintering journey, and the blooming cherry blossoms are a sign to celebrate the long-awaited season. Feel the joy of fresh and beautiful flowers during your self-care routine. How cute! I love that. And this says this is the Hanami flower watching box. I think that's how you pronounce it, but this is what it looks like. I'm so... wow! Okay, everything is pink. I love it. Everything is pink and spring vibes. Okay, let's dive in because I'm so excited. So the first item in the box is this. This is the Cherry Blossom Ice Cube Toner, and it says that the toner is based on salted Sakura flower tea combined with green tea and salted Sakura flowers. And ingredients wise, it has green tea, butterfly pea flower infusion and salted Sakura flowers inside. And we have had one of these before. I believe it was in the first one I did with the sunflowers, and that was really lovely. Obviously I can't open this to smell it, but it is blue and it has some sort of petals inside. Really beautiful. I cannot wait to use this, so I'm going to pop this in the freezer as soon as I go downstairs, so that's exciting. So the next item in the box, we have this. This is the Matcha face mask, and it says a matcha made in heaven, fresh lemon juice, antioxidant matcha and nutrient rich spirulina. Brighten and feed the skin, while kaolin, jojoba and evening primrose oils leave it soft, toned and cleansed. Can't get my words out. And ingredients wise, this one has got fresh lemon juice, cold pressed evening primrose oil, jojoba oil, spirulina powder, clary sage oil and matcha powder. Let's open it up. I have a feeling this is just going to be green, but let's see. Yes, it looks very similar to Love Letters actually. Ooh, that smells incredibly fresh. Just a very, it's got like something in it though, like an undertone. Floral and fresh is how I would describe this. I'm very excited to use that. I have just finished using my Glen Cocoa face mask, which was delicious by the way, if you've not tried that, but this is really lovely. I'm really excited to give this a go. I love a good green face mask, so very much looking forward to using that. So the next item in the box are the iPads of the month, and as you guys know, I will admit I am not the biggest fan of the iPads, only because I feel like I don't really use them to their full potential, so they're not my favourite, but these are so cute. Oh look, they're like little flowers. I love that. Ooh, smells like Sakura bath bomb. I love that. They are so pretty. Wow. Oh, I love the smell. That's so fresh and just clean, and I love that. Ingredients wise in those, we have salted Sakura flower infusion, glycerin, carrageenan extract, aloe gel and almond oil. So they smell incredible, very like Sakura bath bomb vibes, really fresh, really beautiful, and they look stunning. So I do like the look of them, even though I'm not the biggest fan of eye patches, but I love the look of those. So the next item in the box is the Sakura facial cleanser, which I'm so excited to use. Mine is a little bit squished, but it looks absolutely stunning nonetheless. And it says that it's inspired by mochi ice cream, which is a popular Japanese dessert made from a sweet pounded rice dough wrapped around ice cream. And ingredients wise, this has red bean paste, rice flour, rose water, cornstarch, strawberry fat powder, osmanthus absolute, mimosa absolute, mandarin oil and almond essential oil. Oh, that smells like Sakura bath bomb as well. That smells beautiful. I cannot wait to give that a go. That smells absolutely stunning. It's such a... it's hard to describe Sakura really because it smells like cherry blossoms. It's the same scent as the Rub 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 shower scrub if you haven't tried that. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, That's beautiful. I love the smell. So the next item in the box is this. This is very moisturising and very, very soft, and it's almost melting in my fingers. This is the 17 Cherry Tree Lane soap, and it says celebrate the arrival of spring with cherry blossom coloured soap. And ingredients wise, this one has fair trade organic cocoa butter, coconut oil, castor oil. I can't really read the rest because a lot of it's kind of been smushed. Lemon oil, mimosa absolute, orange flower absolute, and jasmine absolute. And again, it smells like Sakura. Very fresh, very clean. It's just a very light floral smell. That's the best way to describe it. But it smells really good. It's very nostalgic. I love the smell of that. That is absolutely beautiful. So the last item in the box is this. This is a bath bomb, and this is the Hanami bath bomb. I think I'm pronouncing that probably wrong, but you guys hopefully know what I mean. And ingredients wise, this one has sea salt, mimosa absolute, patchouli oil, red mandarin oil, rice powder, sakura flowers, and I think that's basically it. Oh, okay, this doesn't smell like Sakura. I thought it was going to. It's a bit of a stronger smell. It kind of smells like a really luxurious perfume. Like if you were going to go in like molten brown and get an expensive fragrance, that is what this smells like. Really lovely. It has a fresh smell to it, but it's a lot stronger than the Sakura smell. Oh, that's so good. Yum, delish. Amazing. I was just about to end this video, but then I spotted this, and this is at the bottom of the parcel, and it's basically some origami on how to make a lucky crane. How cute is that? I'm definitely going to try and give that a go. I don't think I'm going to be very good at origami, but I will definitely give it a try. So that was also in the box, and that is so cute. So that is everything for the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for April. I really, really enjoyed this box. I think all the scents and all the colours and all the items are things that I would really, really enjoy. The only downside I would say is that we didn't really get any flowers. We got a tiny piece of kind of dried rosemary or whatever this is, and we did get some cherry blossom petals, but I do like receiving flowers in this box to kind of put in my room and kind of have them for a few weeks. So that is the only thing that I didn't like, but I do love all the products, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this box, so definitely a good box in my opinion. If you are also subscribed to the Lush Fresh and Flowers subscription box, let me know down below, because I would love to know what your thoughts were on this box. And if you're not subscribed, let me know as well, and let me know your opinions on the box, because I would love to know. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys had a fantastic day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.